G'day guys. Today we're going to delve into cutting off a little bit of the front end of the Corvette. We're actually working on a GTO today, trying to get some stuff loose and touching up some paint items on the front suspension. But while we got a break, wait for paint to dry, I'm going to take a few whacks of this front end. I've got a high-speed cutting tool. See how this does in the fiberglass. It's going to make a holy mess. We'll stop here, but thought I'd share a little bit of this. So welcome back. Showing the cutting it. It's a dust storm. Mess. So what I'm trying to do is save all this steel here. It may not all be bent that bad. As you can see now, this is all bent. Let's try to keep this. So it looks like we can unbolt this from the fender liner and come back under here and unbolt this from the frame, from this front A-frame. And I think we can get most of that out of there from there. These are bolted on underneath here, should come loose. And we'll have to figure out where we're going to go here and start cutting stuff off. But we'll just keep whacking away at it. There we go. So Tom, I'm finding more car parts in my car. That was in there. I think it was plastic. It might be from your windshield, actually. Maybe not. No, it's not for your windshield. I think it's from my light cover. Anyway, finding more parts in here. So what I'm going to do now is I can get to these bolts here, which I could have done before actually, but it's a little easier now that I've uncovered everything. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the rest of this front end off. So right now we're going to take this apart. We should get all of this front section off of here. If I have to make another cut there, I will. So what we're going to do, guys, I got part of my wiring harness run all along here, which goes to the headlights on that side, and the headlights and the horn, well, not the horn, but the grounds and stuff over here. I've got a ground button down there. So what I'm going to do is undo all that next, and then we'll be able to cut this off. So the end of day one, guys, on the cutting anyway. So we got most of the front end loose. It's ready to come. There's about 3 or 4 bolts holding things on. Got the left headlight bucket out. The right one's ready to come out. I gotta make one more cut in the front over here, and I'll get this whole front end off and make a line right there. That'll get this whole front end off, and I can see what damage is there. Then I can get that bumper brace, this bumper brace, and that lower cross member there that you can see, that's an A member, it's called in the diagram. Get that cut out. I got all the wiring harness loose now. That was along the front of the frame for the hood rack or the hood frame. So that's all loose. On top of that, we've had a bunch of other stuff we've been messing around with. So if you guys have seen me at the track, you see my pit bike. And we're just getting that running today while we're waiting for things to dry and for the dust to clear out of the fiberglass. And got some body parts painted, or some parts painted for the GTO. And I was just doing some touch up on the paint underneath here. There was some stuff that was not very tidy, so I wanted that tidied up, so that's all done. And I did get my rear wheels fitted on the GTO, so gotta buy some spacers, but that's my Saturday this weekend. So a little bit of everything, a little bit of GTO, a little bit of Corvette, and some decent weather. So tomorrow we'll get back on this, and we'll see you guys later.